Alright, I am back again with another video. And this video is just going to discuss and let you know about my 1 year membership and let you know what it includes. So basically, we have some courses, and the main course is the Ichimoku Online video course. And you can see here is the curriculum. Starts out with risk management, all about Ichimoku, price action signals and triggers, TK crossover trade strategy, Ichimoku Kumo breakout strategy, Kijinsen bounce and Kijinsen break strategy, trading Ichimoku with fractals, which is very big. That's a big, strong part of my trading right there. And then trading Ichimoku with support and resistance, trading Ichimoku with multiple time frame analysis, trading Ichimoku with divergence, and trading Ichimoku with Heikinashi. That's going to be over 8 hours of video for you to learn and understand. Now this first course, it's the one that you would probably want to start with because it's going to give you the understanding and the basics of everything that we do here at FX at One Glance, and how you get to understand our trade setups so that when we're talking about things, you know and understand exactly what we're talking about. And then we move on to the Ichimoku Advanced Japanese Techniques course curriculum. And this is the curriculum here. This is the 5 elements theory, and that's a 46-minute video. It's going to discuss some of the aspects that you probably haven't even ever heard with Ichimoku. So it's going to start discussing about balance and unbalance with Ichimoku. And then we go on to the Ichimoku time theory, which is very big, very things that basically you don't see traders here in the States doing pretty much. So that video is 2 hours and 24 minutes long. Then I still haven't put together totally the Ichimoku wave theory. You're gonna really love that because Ichimoku pretty much runs just much like Elliott wave analysis, but it's kind of different, a little bit different, a little bit easier if you ask me. So you'll be able to learn wave counts and understanding waves with Ichimoku, and also with the price theory. Ichimoku is much like Gann because their beliefs were pretty much the same. So you'd be mixing Gann in with Elliott wave pretty much, and the Ichimoku theories together just blend and make that something that you would really truly be able to understand and trade, and give you more knowledge about the system, because the system is more than just the 5 lines that you see on the chart. It's really much more than that. All right. And then finally we got the wave analysis theory video, and then putting it all together. All right, so those videos there will help you to understand the true Japanese techniques of trading Ichimoku that you don't even see most of the time. Then we're going to go on to our high probability price action video course curriculum, which starts off with candlestick analysis. This video is 3 hours and 36 minutes long. You probably wouldn't sit there and watch this whole video. You probably have to section this thing down. It just happened to be this long, guys, because I just had to break every single thing down, because our main trading strategies are based off of price action and candlestick analysis. So we look really strong at the candlesticks, and we look at support and resistance. So our main concept of trading is LST, which means level, signal, and trigger. We get our level from basically support and resistance levels, Ichimoku. You know, it could be a moving average, it could be whatever you want it to be, long as it's a true support and resistance average level, much like, as I said, a moving average. It could even be Fibonacci retracement levels or something like that. That's going to be your level. And then your next thing is your signal. Your signal comes from your candlesticks, looking at your candlesticks, and your trigger also comes from your candlesticks and your fractals also. So those things will really help you to get into a trade. Then we're going to talk about the market structure. A lot of the market structure is understood. Basically, if you really understand market structure, that will help you to be into the proper trade, the proper direction, know when to trade, when not to trade. That kind of stuff helps you. And support and resistance, I believe, is big. That's a big thing no matter what. I cover this twice. I cover this in this course and in the regular course with the Ichimoku basics. So that'll talk about support and resistance. I think support and resistance is one of the biggest things that you can learn besides money management, because I think if you can trade support and resistance and understand support and resistance, you could probably survive just off of that. And then finally we break this thing down with the supply and demand video. All right, so you'll learn a little bit about supply and demand. I'm no master at supply and demand. I understand supply and demand, so therefore we kept it to the basics of supply and demand and understanding that. Right, that's over 6 hours of video right there. And then we're going to get even deeper because, guys, we have our educational videos. And right now, it's just too much for me to even mention right here because we go to videos such as pay attention to fractals, webinar talking Heikenhashi and awesome oscillator, a C-clamp and walking dragon trade setup, why support and resistance is not just a level, understanding the Aussie US dollar fractal structure. That was when we were trading the Aussie US dollar. I made a video about the fractal structure and helping people to understand why I took that Aussie US dollar trade when I did. Trading support and resistance zones, because we have support and resistance is not a level. It's basically an area which falls into a zone. Basically, you could call it a zone. So I wanted to teach people how to trade those zones, how to walk those zones with a trade. So many different ways to trade a level that you really need to understand and see what price is doing at those levels. And then we had a live back testing of some of our trading ideas and trading concepts. So we did live back testing. We had a naked price action trading webinar, high probability KBO trading webinar, which is a Kumo breakout webinar, and then the using the Williams percent R with Ichimoku, how to trade using Ichimoku sub. We have a sub with Ichimoku where we use a sub for Tenkan-sen, sub for Kijin-sen. I'll show you how I use those and why I use those, and you'll start to understand. Don't get caught in a bull or a bear trap. All right, reading market structure to enter a trade, concept of trading near Kijin-sen, understanding the C-clamp setup, trading Ichimoku with pin bars, plus many more educational videos in our video library. And you get the weekly market analysis videos. So there's just so many videos that you won't be able to watch all the videos in a year's time at all. All right, unless you sit there 8 hours a day watching all of our videos. So guys, we also have our chat room. In our chat room, we discuss trade setups, trade ideas. A lot of members in the trade room. We got over 200 members that come into the trade room. So we sit there and discuss things, and I post trade setups in there at times, and people post their ideas in there and we talk about it. All right, so basically a chat room. We also have a forum, put a lot of things in the forum. The forum is a basically like a big giant book, because you have everything there and you can always go back to it, and you can always get your questions asked in the forum, and it's always there for you to see and read and go back to and help you to understand. So I think that's a very big thing. And then we have our mentoring. We have 5 mentors that were students of mine, and they've been with me from day one, from the very beginning. So I coach those guys up, and they learn the system, and some of them already know a lot more things than I've shown them, so they know things already, plus mixed with what we're doing together, just really made some strong concepts. Very good mentors in there, really care about you guys, really care about the students, really care about the people we're trying to show things to. We really want you to understand and be able to be part of our community, be part of the group, and even if you're not, just to be able to understand and learn and have somebody there that can help you and guide you. A lot of times trading from the beginning as a new trader, you get into a runaround where you don't know what to do, you don't know what you should start learning or how to even really trade. So you could get through all that if you get some mentorship, some mentoring. So that's what we're there for, and to help you also to learn the concepts that we trade with Ichimoku if you're ready to do that. And also, our trading is not just basically Ichimoku, as you could see what I showed you from some of the videos. So you'll learn all those kinds of things with our mentorship. So I'm offering you a 1-year annual membership. That's what we're having right now, a 1-year annual membership for $250 for the whole year. It's no recurring payments. You do not have to worry about at the end of the year another $250 coming out of your credit card or bank account. You pay this one-time fee, you get 1 year access to all the things that I just showed you. Every single video, every single course and everything new that's added while you're still a member in that year, you have access to. So I don't take anything from you, don't have any monthly payments. You just make that one-time fee and you can come on to the site and stay on there all day long, 24 hours a day, doing whatever you desire to do, but learning. So take action, guys. Get started now. It's a very good opportunity. I think if you look around and find out that for that price and everything that we're offering, we're far from ripping you off. We're giving you a great deal. And so if you ask many members that are involved with me, that been with me, and I have over 1,000 members and over 1,000 people that have been members or been associated with me and understand and know how I trade, and they can really let you know how they feel about what we do. So take action, guys. Get started now. All you have to do is visit us at FX at one glance, and then when you get there, go to the heading Become a Member, and you'll see an offer for a 1-year membership. All right, that's it, guys. So hopefully you get a chance to come to my site, check everything out, look at my blog. You won't be able to access any of the videos, but you can see how many things that we have for you guys. So lots of learning there. So take advantage, join now, become a member. FX at one glance. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. God bless. So long.